Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. The Zontes 350E, from the first batch out of the factory, they found that the starter motor negative wire position was not hooked underneath the clamp. This is just a video on how to do it. If you found that your motorcycle was needed to be done on an earlier model that released from the factory. This will show you how to do it. I honestly can't think of any of the manufacturer that would be bothered to let you know. But Zontes, in their methodical wisdom, always tell you what the crack is. So there's this cable here, you just slightly unloosen it. The clip to the right where the positive is clipped under, and the negative clips under in the same position next to that when you tighten up the bolt. Simple as that. Over 1,400 videos now in our playlist, all regarding motorcycles and scooters on how to do maintenance and repair work. Please take a look. If you haven't subscribed already, please become a member. Greatly appreciated. This is Man Mick, I'm signing off and I'll speak to you later. Bye for now.